Last video we discussed about the insertion at the end. So after insertion, the newly inserted element will be located like this: 90 after 50, and the address field of 50 will be stored with the address of newly inserted element. And this is the way that we insert the element at the end. And now we are going to insert in between two elements. So here these are the list of elements we have: 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And out of that, we have positions also. Consider this is in the first position, this is a second, this is a third position, fourth position, and fifth position. So first step is to collect which position you want to insert a new element to. We have to collect the position from the user. In the scanf statement, we are collecting the position, and that variable POS is a variable for that. Consider I am going to insert the element in the fourth position. Fourth position in the sense already existing fourth position will be moved to the next position. That means 40 will move to the after the insertion of a new element. 40 will move as a fifth positioned element, and 50 will move as a sixth positioned element. Okay. So in this case, first step is to reach up to third position. Then only we can perform the operations. So first step is to travel from head node to the third position. So initial step is to assign head q equal to head. Okay, what's the value of q now? Q equal to 100, and I am going to travel from first position to the last position. So I equal to 1, I less than position. Okay, I plus plus. So I am not sure that whether this for loop works. Okay, I am going to verify. This is a way that you have to write the loop. Initially, I assign the value of a q equal to 100. At the time of assigning q equal to 100, I value equal to what? 1. Okay, now I am verifying. I equal to 1. 1 less than position. Position is what? 4. Condition true. If the condition is true, then what's the next step? Q equal to q tends to next. Okay, so q is reassigned as q tends to next. Q equal to 100 tends to next, 200. Now I is incremented by 1. I equal to 2. I equal to 2. 2 less than 4, condition true. Then q equal to q tends to next. So 200 tends to next. 200 tends to next, 300. So q equal to 300. 300. I equal to 3. I is incremented by 1, so I equal to 3. Okay, then 3 less than 4, condition true. 3 less than 4, condition true, and q equal to q tends to next. Q equal to 400. So it should not happen like this, because we reached up to 300. We don't want to move on to the 400, because we want to do the insertion in between 30 and 40, and from 30 we have to do all the changes. Okay, so as per our program, one execution is not required. One condition is not required. So we have to change the condition, position -1. So now let me check what is happening. In this case, q equal to head, so q equal to 100, I equal to 1. Okay, I'm traveling like this. I less than 4, condition true. Q equal to q tends to next. So q equal to 100 tends to next. 100 tends to next is what? 200. Again, I equal to I is incremented by 1, so I equal to 2. I equal to 2. Then 2 less than 4 minus 1. 2 less than, so we change the condition. 2 less than 4 minus 1, that is what? 3. 2 less than 3, condition true. Q equal to q tends to next. Q is what? 200 tends to next, that is 300. Q equal to 300. Now I is incremented by 1. I equal to 3. 3 less than 4 minus 3, 3. Condition false. So now Q is located at which position? Q is located at third position. So we reached the exact location where we want to insert the element. So Q is representing the value 30 and Q is having the address 300. Now we are going to insert a new element. Next step is create a new node, malloc size of struct node. So p equal to malloc size of struct node. So a new node is created in between. We are going to insert the element in between. So a new node is created. I am copying this ones from the location. Okay. And okay, consider the address is 800. So p equal to now 800. Okay. What's the next step? Sending the value. P tends to data equal to 85. Okay, the value is added, 85 is added there. Then what's the next step? Next step is to assign the address of 40 here, but we are having only the connection up to 30. So from 30 we can, so 30's address is 300 and 300 is represented by the variable Q. So what I am going to do is I have to assign the address of 40 here. So address of 40 is available with the next address field of 30. So the next address field of 30 can be represented by Q tends to next. So I am assigning like this, P tends to next equal to Q tends to next. That means P tends to next in the sense this part which is equal to Q. Q is in the sense Q having address 300. So 300 tends to next, that is 400. So one link is created in between. One link is created. One link is created like this. Okay, one link is created as like this, from because 400 is available here and 400 is the address of the next element, but here till now we didn't replace the value of 400 here. So what should be the value here? Q tends to next equal to Q tends to next equal to the newly created element address P, that is 800. Now the address is replaced like this. Okay, and now insertion is completed. Now the location is changed. This is the 5th position, this is the 6th position, and this is the 4th one. This is the 4th. 85 is in the 4th position. Hope you understood. Thank you.